IKEA vision is to create better everyday life for the many. Therefore, sustainability and well-being are important part of it.
Sleep combined with modern technology is kind of a natural part of people's lives today. The base idea and concept was that even though we cannot bring people physically together, we would give everybody a chance to create something beautiful from their dreams together. To be an artist, to be a kind of a sculpture of dreams.
The brief from IKEA sounded super interesting from the very beginning. As this is a pioneering project, they are never the easy ones. This required a lot of research and experimenting and trial and error as well.
Finally, technology has come to a point where we can integrate hyper-realistic 3D graphics from the Unreal Engine with the latest web technologies. This allowed us to create an interactive artwork that reacts instantly to the user's feedback.
We were inspired by nature and its organic details when we started the design process. There is something really soothing in the ever-changing flow of natural form. We wanted to transform that into an abstract dreamscape.
The music and the sound has important role. There are these everlasting loops and elements that keep going and coming. The music can actually really calm you down, creating nice calming atmosphere, working together with the visuals.
Our goal is to encourage Finnish people to sleep better and pay attention to sufficient amount and the quality of sleep. It is important for us at IKEA that the conditions for good night's sleep do not cost too much and are accessible for everyone.
The artwork from now on lives as its own entity because it takes its shapes and forms and movement and colors from anybody who inserts their sleep habits into it.
Welcome to Unemme, the digital artwork that shows how we sleep.